The film starts in 1959, where two fishermen are seen in the sea. Now it is known through their conversation, as they are talking about the sea monsters. And there are also found many sea monsters in this area. But they think here, as these all are the fantasy-based stories and myths. At the same time, a sea monster begins to steal the things from their ship. Later, they both try to catch it, but that monster is not entrapped by them. Now, a sea monster named Luca is seen under the water here. Luca was playing with its pet fish. Suddenly, he notices the fallen things. These things belong to the human beings. When it looks upside, then it observes a ship and it moves to its house stealthily. It is revealed here that Luca is not dangerous at all, and its fear from the human beings in the same way as human beings are feared. And it lives with its parents under the water, where its parents explain to it that human beings are threatening and there is need to have a distance from them. But Luca's dream were opposite. It wanted to discover the world out of the water. One day Luca finds a new sea monster. Its name was Alberto. Alberto's hobby was to gather the things of the human beings fallen under the water. Luca follows Alberto and notices that it has gone out of the water. Luca says to for a while. After this, Alberto drags it out of the water. Now it was the first experience of Luca out of the water. It is exposed here that sea monster becomes like the human beings coming out of the water. Luca remembers the advice of its parents all of a sudden. How has he to avoid from the human beings? And it goes back to the water immediately. Now Luca does not sleep for the whole night because it was a new experience for him. Next day, Luca moves to the edge of the water, but it does not get courage that it may stop out of the water. Alberto comes here again with its gathered things and it brings Luca out of the water. As Luca is dried, it is transformed into a human being. Alberto shows him to the house out of the water, where Luca observes the different things, and all fallen things under the water were used to be brought in house by Alberto. Alberto used to live with his father. Now Luca thinks that the most beautiful thing of the world is out of the water. Now Luca and Alberto has befriended closely. Alberto has also taught Luca how to walk. Now Luca notices a poster in the house of Alberto where Vespa bike was printed. Alberto tells it here it was the best thing among the human made things and the whole world may be toward by it. But Lucas says to Alberto that they should make Vespa by using the kept things at house. Now they both are indulged in a new experiment. There should be manufactured a new bike. They both determine that they will surely ride on Vespa for once. On the other side, Luca's parents get know that Luca is daily moving out of the water. Afterward, they said to Luca, move to the depth of sea along with your uncle. Being sad, Luca tells the whole story of Alberto. Going there now, Alberto suggested Luca run away. Alberto also presents an idea to Luca with it. Just let move to the nearby city where your parents will remain unable to search for you, and we will tour the world taking a new Vespa. Now could Luca not agree with this idea of Alberto? So they both move to that city, leaving that place. After going there, they have to confront a man named Ercole. Ercole had also a Vespa here. They both feel excitement seeing it. It is known here that there is held a championship in this city each year. There is awarded a lot of money after being won in it. At this championship was being won for the last many years by Ercole, and he has purchased this Vespa with this money. Ercole makes fun of them, noticing their player. Now a girl comes here whose name was Julia. She takes both of them away from Ercole. She tells them that there were 3 parts of championship, including bicycle, swimming, and pasta eating. She also tells that she has also been trying to win this championship for many years. It was clear to both of them hearing this conversation. The dreams getting Vespa fulfilled only the championship. After this, they request Julia if they make a partnership with them so that they may win the championship. Julia gets ready after a great thought because she also wanted to win the championship. After it, the 3 decide that Luca will participate in the bicycling competition, Alberto and pasta eating, and Julia in swimming. They had knowledge that they cannot go near the water. Being wetted, they will move to their original form. After this, Julia arranged their meeting with her father, who was a fisherman. Julia's father was one-handed from his childhood. She reveals her entire plan to her father, but she knows that her father has not enough money that he may pay the entry fees in the championship. Later, Alberto and Luca help them in fishing. They catch a number of fish from the sea because of having the knowledge of sea. sea. After this, they get enough money that they may pay the fee of championship. They face Eracol as the three reach there, and he makes fun of their team noticing it, and he takes oath that he will surely defeat them. On the other side, Luca's parents reach the city while searching it, where they were checking after falling each kid in the water. It is not Luca, and Julia was also making ready Alberto for pasta eating competition and Luca for the bicycle competition. They teach Luca swimming where they are seated in a boat. Eraco reached there, and their secret remains hidden, which was nearly exposure. Luca hears his voice of its mother as they return their house. When he checks, then he observes that its parents have reached here while searching it. Luca and Julia has befriended close. Julia shows him her books, and she also tells about her school life. Alberto begins to feel jealousy because of spending a lot of time. Alberto feels that Luca does not talk to it much now, and he spends time more with Julia, and it also notices that it is talking about Julia every time. In the next days, they are only going on their practices because they were in the great struggles to win the championship. Julia's father helped them in all these matters. One day, Alberto and gone for bicycling practice with Julia and Luca. It observes its mother there who recognizes Luca, but Luca runs away after riding on the bicycle. One day, Luca asks Julia, is he join her school? Hearing it, Alberto flies in rage, and their dispute start. Alberto remains Luca. Have you forgotten? What was your plan? We had top purchase the Vespa so that we may go for world tour, but Julia reconciles between them while reaching there. Alberto does still not come, and it transforms into its real appearance, moving into the water. It appears as a sea monster before Julia, and it asks, will your school administration allow the sea monster to admit? Julia gets anxious, and Luca pretends here, as he had no awareness about Alberto, and he had no knowledge about this secret, that Alberto is a sea monster. Meanwhile, Eracol appears with some of people and makes Alberto run. Eracol notices that Alberto is leaving, and how much grieved he is. It understands that it has hurt too much to its friend. When Julia and Luca returns their house, then Luca talks strangely. It was not understanding anything. After this, Julia throws water on it, and it's begun to transfer into a sea monster. Julia understands here that Luca has hidden this secret from her, and it is also sea monster. Seeing it, Julia says to the sea monster, do you know that there is a reward on sea monster in the city? You should leave from here. Then Luca tells Julia, and its parents wanted to keep itself away. Being dejected, it moves away after saying it. After this, Luca moves to Alberto's house, where it observes that there are a few drawn lines on the wall. When Luca asks Alberto, then it tells Luca that is the drawing these lines from that time when its father and gone leaving it. Alberto says to Luca, I am perhaps very bad. Consequently, my father left me. Now Luca reminds him here that it was their dream to purchase Vespa, and they will have to struggle for this. And Alberto asks Luca to go away. After it, Luca determines alone that it will win the competition alone, and it will purchase Vespa. Championship is started on the next day, and the first part of competition was swimming. Now Luca appears wearing the metal suit, so he may remain secure from being wetted. Julia warns it here. Now championship members have sent the people to capture the sea monster. Luca does not agree with it, and the first part of competition is completed here. Further, there is pasta eating competition. All people being to eat pasta immediately. Julia wins competition here. Julia quickly moves away from bicycling after eating pasta. Afterward, Eracol was also after her. When Luca finishes its pasta, when it goes for cycling, then its parents are reached there, but it moves ahead while ignoring its parents because it had to complete it any cost. Afterwards, it rides bicycling with full speed. Then it moves ahead, crossing Julia and Eracol. It starts rain after passing a little distance. After this, Luca stops under a shed, feeling a fear of being wetted. It notices that Alberto is moving toward it, holding an umbrella at a little distance. Eracol pushes Alberto coming there. Alberto's real look is revealed because of being wetted in the rain, and Eracol entraps it, throwing a net on it. Luca takes Alberto away, coming to its bicycle before it catches it. They both observe here that they both are sea monsters. Now Eracol follows them, holding a spear, so it may kill them after capturing. They were passing the city quickly. Eracol reaches here while following them. Julia damages its bicycle, reaching there before Eracol attacks them. Julia is also fallen down while pushing Eracol, and Luca and Alberto picks her up. Now fishermen and many people gather here so that they may catch both of these sea monsters. At the same time, Julia's father reaches here, and he clears that Luca and Alberto are his friend and they have won the championship. Now Eracol asks help from his friends, but in vain. Julia feels excitement hearing it. At last, championship has been won by a new person, and Eracol defeated. After this, it is seen now how many citizens were sea monsters there, and they gradually appear appears in their real look. Later it is seen how all human beings have accepted the sea monster and they have greeted them in the city. Now they both purchase a Vespa with the prize money. It was old, they repaired it so they may fulfill their dreams. After this it is seen that Julia's father is coming to drop Julia at her school, and Luca and Alberto has also reached here to say to her farewell. Luca was little grieved as Julia gets in the train here. Alberto hands over a new ticket to Luca, that it is your ticket. Alberto tells Luca that it is sold that Vespa so that Luca may also go to school. Luca parents reach here holding its bag and they permit it that may go to school. Luca offers Alberto come with us, but Alberto tells it that it will stay behind here with Julia's father so that it may help him. Afterward it is seen that Luca and Alberto are contented in that train because Luca's dreams of education is also fulfilled here. And this lovely movie ends here. Stay with us, stay connected, and thanks for watching.